Rightio, so I've got this Commodore Ute here, Respray on it. I don't know, so VY or something like that, whatever model it is. But yeah, full Respray on it. It's obviously only really half a Respray though, because it's got a tray back on it. So this car had really badly flaking and faded paint. It was not in a good way at all. So the panel beater's just got a few repairs on it. We sanded back the worst of the paint, and what's going on with this gun here? It's all good. Yeah, so I haven't used this PRR Pro Light for a while. Oh yeah, liking it. I wonder where this gun's gonna make it in the top 10 primer gun reviews. I personally think it's a great gun, but just sort of overpriced for a primer gun. Like, there's nothing wrong with the gun, and it is a great gun, but yeah, just personally, like I got sent this one from Spray Guns Direct for review purposes, and yeah, like out of my own money, honestly, I probably wouldn't spend over $200 on a primer gun. So I'm just going to go one coat over the repaired areas, and then two over the whole thing. Or maybe three over the whole thing, but I don't want to go and overload the materials though on this car, because yeah, like it's already got lots of paint on there and it's already sort of failing in areas. So maybe I'll do that. I'll just go just three over the whole thing, just like this bird tail. I'll just go light, like not full heavy. A bit heavier over the repairs. That'll do it. So that and two more should be enough. Yeah, I'm getting just making it up as you go along. Yeah, sometimes I do, mate. Something going on with that boost. I told the boss and he said, yeah, it sort of does that this time of the year, like the colder months. There you go, it's come good. There's like a slipping belt in the boost there. The other boost next door, we had slipping belts, so we just went in there and tightened them up and haven't heard it ever since, but just haven't had the time to get up there and do a bit of maintenance on this one. This is off a completely different car, but I just said to Alan, hey, smash it in the booth and yeah, I'll get some primer on it for you. Get you over spray out of the workshop. used a medium hardener this time. I didn't want the primer drying too quickly on me. So this primer I'm using is Challenger, and man, it's actually killer primer. Like, it is so cheap, and it's quite good. Like, it sounds really nice, and yeah, you get a good build with it. Don't need any reducer with it, I found anyway. So yeah, we just get 2 heavy coats over the whole thing now. That should be good. I'm going to be not too far off a reload. So yeah, I get questions sometimes. People are like, oh, I want to respray my car. Do I need to prime the whole car? In this instance, yes, the whole car needed primer because the paint was in a really bad way. Had the paint been, really good condition, absolutely no. You wouldn't have to prime the whole car. Yeah, I'm looking forward to painting this. Should get the body painted tomorrow. I'll try and get the body painted tomorrow and then have like a boot full of parts the following day. You're wondering what that bit of masking tape is doing on the middle of the roof. There was a little bit of rust there that the boss told Alan to grind back and fill up, but he saw it again today when I was in the booth and he said, oh, might actually get you to sand it back a bit further. So I just said the easiest way to do that is prime the rest of the car because it's already in the booth. I don't want to, because it was already marked up. And I'll just re-repair it in the morning and spot prime it. Easy enough. Rather than bringing the airlines in and, grinding and doing filler work in the booth. Not really what I want to be doing. Keep the spray booth clean. That book's getting light. But yeah, this is, I did a review and they sent out Developers Australia sent out a Binks for me. It was like Binks Trophy Series or something like that. And yeah, it was absolute garbage. The only good thing about the gun is that it came with this big pot. So yeah, for big primer jobs like this, it's absolutely ideal. Yeah, that's us. I'm going to have to go mix up a bit more primer. Ooh. Alright, so back to just mixed up another pot. So where did I get up to? It was about here, wasn't it? You guys are probably watching at home thinking, hey, that's not where you stop. Hey, it's been 5 minutes since I've been in here. Oh, well, it's close enough either way. So good, mate. Yeah, I think I actually made it up to here. An extra code over that door's not going to do any harm. Quite a bit in here. Ooh, running out of room. They really rip into those plastics, man. You just gotta load that primer on to fill it up. With this job, I'm not going to wet on wet it or, seal or anything like that, what they call it in the US. I think I'll just get some old silver sitting around on the bench, use it up, and use that sort of as a ground coat. Put that down first, say like 1 or 2 coats of that to get some coverage, and then, save a bit on the top coat colour. I did that last time I did a respray and it worked perfectly. It's something that you can't really do with water-based. Well, you may be able to, but not with the Chromax Pro, because once you put the activator or whatever in it, or the binder, they reckon you've got 48 hours. How true that is, I don't really know. Could just be a way of getting you to mix more up next time you need some. Honestly, wouldn't surprise me with paint companies. They want to maximise their profit. I'm a skeptic. I don't just drink the Kool-Aid, but I get set up by, paint wraps on the light. Pumps the primer on this thing, I tell you what, really nice and quick. But it does stand out from some of the other primer guns, just how fast you can get it on. Nice amount of primer, like nice build on there. I did notice though, look at that, you see? It doesn't seem to affect the way it sprays, but it honestly wasn't that long after I got this gun that it started doing that. So yeah, let us know if anyone out there from Australia is using this Challenger primer. Let us know your thoughts on it. I'm a big fan of it. prefer it with touch lighter, because like some whites you go to spray over and just you've got to use a wet on wet or a ground coat or something, because it's just that cut through that. I usually like light grey primers, but hey, for the price, you get one of these kits for it's under $100 for a priming kit, so it's dirt cheap, but it performs, you know. And in this shop here, we do use quite a lot of primers, so you want to get it at the best price you can. Hey, I've worked in shops that use, you know, nothing but, you know, the top line paint, but, you know, I'd rather see that extra money put in the boss's pocket, or, you know, so use your buying power to your advantage and organise a killer deal through the, you know, the paint supplier. Just say, hey, you know, where you buy X amount of primer kit a week or clear kit, whatever, you either give it a great deal or we'll go elsewhere, and you'll soon find that they've got a bit of room to move. Exactly what just happened with us and our clear coat. Use our buying power to our advantage. They were scared they were going to lose it, we were going to go elsewhere. They came back with a killer deal on their standard clear. So I see it as a win-win for us. They win, they keep us. We win, we get a better price and a better product. Customers win, we get better paint on their cars. And me wins, they get to use better clear coat. A bit more user friendly. So I think I'll just do this like, I don't know, 25-minute break. If they weren't in a hurry for it, I'd just leave it for a week, let that primer shrink back, but they want me to spray it back on this Respray again tomorrow, so I'll walk out, clean the gun out, give it a bit of flash time, and then yeah, give it a 25-minute break. Hopefully that way any of the shrinking that the primer's going to do will happen before I paint it, not after. Got a couple of dribbles left, I may as well use it up. That's it. Job done, mate. I'll see you when we're spraying it.